How to see hidden following list on TikTok application. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of TikTok application. Once you check that, launch your TikTok application and make sure you have logged into your account. Now, go through any user that you want to see their hidden list. Then if you simply hit on the following, then it will not allow due to some privacy settings. But if you go through their followers list, then you may find out some of their hidden following list. If you see message icon in any of them, then that means they follow each other. This is the only way to find out. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.